Tired of high fees and want to move your crypto from Uphold to Coinbase? Let's get started. First, log into your Uphold account and ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled for maximum security. This is crucial for protecting your assets. If you don't have it set up, navigate to the security settings and follow the prompts to enable it. Next, open your Coinbase account. Navigate to the Receive section for the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Like Bitcoin or Ethereum, always double-check that the crypto you are sending matches the wallet on Coinbase. Copy your Coinbase wallet address, pay close attention, and verify every single character. An incorrect address can result in permanent loss of your funds. Now, return to Uphold, click Transact, and select Send to Cryptocurrency Address. Paste the Coinbase wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Triple check it. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be mindful of any transaction fees Uphold might charge. Review all details carefully before confirming the transaction. Once you're sure, confirm the withdrawal. The transfer time depends on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Typically, it takes a few minutes to an hour. Keep an eye on the transaction status on both Uphold and Coinbase. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your funds will appear in your Coinbase wallet. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred crypto from Uphold to Coinbase. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.